will be sewing a large satin bonnet. I have a lot of hair and wear a lot of braids, so this size is perfect for me. Here are the items you'll need: a pair of scissors, elastic, this is a 1/4 inch, a fabric pencil, 2 safety pins, thread, sewing pins, a thread cutter, a rotary cutter, but this is optional, and a ruler, preferably a ruler that goes to 14 inches. Next, you'll need fabric in a pattern that will go on the outside of the bonnet. And of course, you'll need satin fabric. You also need poster paper. Mine is pre-cut from a previous bonnet project. Cut out a triangle with one rounded side. The rounded edge should measure 14 inches at every mark. Now comes the fabric. It is already folded in half once, but you want to fold it in half one more time. Then grab the triangle. Outline the curve with the fabric pencil once the triangle is in place. I suggest securing the fabric in place before you pick it up to cut. You can use the rotary cutter instead of the scissors if you would like. You will do the same with the satin fabric. Please note the satin fabric is more slippery, so I used sewing pins while folding the fabric. Place the 2 round pieces of fabric on top of each other, the right sides of the fabric touching. You are welcome to iron the pieces, but it's not required. Begin placing pins around the fabric edges to hold the 2 fabric pieces together in place. You are going to sew the fabric together around the border. Make sure to leave about 3.5 to 4 inches open, so don't close the circle. The pieces are sewn together. See, I left about 4 inches open. Now you want to cut away the extra fabric along the border before you flip the fabric inside out. Then put your hand in the opening and flip the fabric inside out. Begin to flatten it out. After I flatten it, I will iron it. After ironing, I will sew a complete circle about 1 inch from the edge. Next, I will sew a circle very close to the edge, still keeping the 4-inch area open. We will not close that yet. Here is what it will look like. The elastic is next. Measure the elastic around the circumference of your head to the length that is comfortable. Then grab the safety pins. Attach one safety pin to one edge of the elastic and secure it near the opening of the fabric. Then attach the second safety pin to the other end of the elastic. Begin to guide the elastic through the hole of the fabric around the circle until it comes out the other end. Sew the two ends of the elastic together. With the elastic in place, now sew the opening closed. After the closure, begin to stretch the fabric so it is more evenly spaced around the elastic. There you have it, a homemade satin bonnet.